Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I creating a special drawing for Dashera, a beautiful drawing of Ma Durga. As I draw, I will share with you an amazing story of how Ma Durga defeated the evil demon Mahishasur. It's a story of bravery, love and victory of good over evil. So stay with me as we celebrate Dashera together through art and storytelling. So let's get started. Once upon a time, a very long time ago, there was a powerful demon named Mahishasur. Now, Mahishasur was not just any ordinary demon. He was so strong that he could defeat anyone in the battle, God, humans, and everyone. No one could stop him because he had a special blessing from the Lord Brahma, which said that no man or God could ever kill him. He thought, I am not beatable. No one defeated me. No one stopped me now. Mahishasur became proud and cruel. He wanted to rule the heaven and the earth. His armies attacked the god and took control of heaven. The gods were helpless and worried. They knew that only someone as a power as Mahishasur could defeat him. But who could that be? After all, no man or god could kill him. The god thought for a while and then come up with the idea. They decided that only a woman could defeat Mahishasur. So they prayed to the three most powerful gods, Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Shiva, and asked them to create a powerful goddess to defeat Mahishasur. So let me pause the story for a moment and tell you this part where the magic begins. As I am drawing Ma Durga, look at her face. Can you see how she look both calm and strong? Just like in the story, Ma Durga was created with all the power of God combined each. Each god gave her a special weapon, like Lord Shiva gave her Trishul, Lord Vishnu gave her Chakra, and Lord Brahma gave her Kamandal. Even other god gave her things like sword, bows, and arrows, and many more. Now, can you imagine how powerful she must be with all these weapons? So, as shown as Ma Durga was created, she rode her lion in the battlefield. Where Mahishasur was waiting, when he saw her, he laughed, ha ha ha. He thought, how can a woman defeat me? I am the strongest in the universe. But what he did not know was that Ma Durga was more powerful than anyone he had ever faced. The battle between Ma Durga and Mahishasur went on the 9 days and night. This was not just any battle, it was intense. Mahishasur kept changing his form. Sometimes he became a buffalo, sometimes a lion, and sometimes a huge warrior. But no matter how much he changed, Ma Durga stayed calm and strong. She fought him, and with courage and skills. So while I drawing, I noticed something. Ma Durga was so beautiful. Finally, on the 10th day, after 9 days of fierce fighting, Mahishasur took his most dangerous form, a genetic buffalo. But Ma Durga was ready. She struck him down with her Trishul, and with that, Mahishasur was defeated once and for all. The gods and humans rejoined. The world was saved from the evil, and peace returned to the heaven and the earth. And and this, my friend, is why we celebrate Dashera. It reminds us that no matter how powerful evil may seem, God always wins in the end. Good. Good people always win at the end. So now let me finish this drawing, and as I finish this drawing, remember that Ma Durga is not just a goddess we pray to, but she is also a symbol of strength, courage, and protection. No matter how big our problem are, just like Ma Durga defeated Mahishasur, we can face our challenges with strength and confidence. Now, tell me in the comments, what do you think of this story? Do you feel inspired by Durga Maa's story? Bravery? If you enjoyed this story and my drawing, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have loved to hear your thought about Dashera and what it means to you.